Ethereum just broke a major resistance level, and if this sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. Now, yesterday I did mention that we were looking to retest the 1658 level, and it was going to become a very important resistance level of whether or not we could break it. This morning, it looks like Ethereum did break above that level at 1682 and actually retested the highs that I was talking about yesterday at 1712. Now, I did mention that this level specifically for this wick right here is going to be extremely important, and we will retest it. My opinion, like I said, was over here. I thought we were going to hit that wick around the 1688 level when we wicked down. I was looking for a long position around, or sorry, a short position around there, but we didn't quite hit that position right away. We actually got near it at 1688 and then saw a massive bearish engulfing candle, creating another fake out and then continuing higher. Now at this level, I am not looking for any sort of short positions, and the reason for that is we already broke above this level with a massive bullish candle, right? You don't want to be shorting into that resistance level now, because technically speaking, it looks like the bulls are pretty much in control as of right now. We had this move to the upside, it rejected, the bears took control, and again the bulls have now taken control once again. So looking at this level, I would be curious to see what happens at the previous highs at 1726 and whether or not we can break above that, right? Now, I did mention to you guys obviously yesterday that hovering above the exponential moving averages is super bullish, and you guys can see exactly how that played out, right? We were hitting this exponential moving average multiple times and it was acting as support. So as soon as the level was broken, you can see that we did have a massive move. Now, there is something to note though, and I'll show you guys on the lower time frames. We have not retested that resistance as support just yet. So for those of you that are looking for any long positions, we have not tested this level as support. Now, we don't necessarily have to. As you can see, the exponential moving averages are also acting as support up here, so we could just see the next continuation move to the upside. It doesn't have to come down. But in my opinion, if it does come down, I would be looking and paying close attention to that 1658 resistance level. That level will be able to tell you whether or not the support is going to hold or whether this is a fake out or not, right? So you can see I would be expecting a few more wicks. And if you look at the previous price action here, you can kind of see the bigger picture, right? We came up, broke this level, retested the highs at 1747, came back down 1658 around this level, and then bounced. We didn't necessarily test that resistance once again, but we did test that resistance right here, right? At 1723, we had a massive bearish candle, hit that resistance, and then continue. That is why it's so important to wait until that massive bearish candle to retest resistance. If it does not happen, again, it doesn't necessarily have to happen, then let the continuation pattern form until the retest, right? There shouldn't be any reason you guys are longing after this move set, right? You don't want to be catching the top and trying to get, okay, like I'm going to continue going long here and hopefully a retest doesn't happen. That's not how we trade, right? We want to be looking for that retest and getting the best possible entry to get a position on Ethereum. Now, again, we are looking at Ethereum on the current market, and it looks like we are seeing some sort of rejections on Ethereum right now, and obviously that's a given, right? We are testing a major wick level around here, so we will see some sort of rejection. And we can see that we tested this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before we saw the move set. Currently, we are on our double test, so there's no reason to be entering short. What I could see is another massive wick to the upside and then a continuation down, or we will just continue slowly consolidating before a move. Now, for the bearish situation, what's going to happen here is if Ethereum, like I said, does break the support level once more, I told you guys that is extremely bearish, right? Because technically speaking, we could create higher lows and continue higher, but I would be paying very close attention to this level at 1591. If that level is broken, then we would be retesting this support at 1526, and I really don't see it holding, right? I mentioned to you guys that support level will not hold. I would be looking for more of a 1356 and a worst case scenario at 1278. Now, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.